Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel. If you want to see more updates on Alipay 1688 importation and business tips, click on the subscribe button right now. So guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to transfer Yuan, that is RMB, from one Alipay to another Alipay, whether you are in Nigeria, you are in Ghana, you are in China, you are in Kenya, you are in USA, you are in anywhere you are in the world, you can transfer RMB from one Alipay to another Alipay. It's very easy. So stay tuned and watch this video to learn how to do that. To transfer RMB from your Alipay account to another person's Alipay account, click on Pay. When you click on Pay, click on Transfer. Then click on Alipay to Alipay. Click to Alipay. Then from here, enter the person's phone number. So this is this person's phone number. Then remove the zero, the first zero. Then if it is Nigeria, then add the country code, which is 234. Then add dash. If you don't add this dash, it will not work. Let me show you. Let me remove the dash and click next. You see that it will not work. But let me put the dash now, then click next. Can you see that this is my name? And make sure that the name is the same thing, or you ask the person to send you the full name. So I'm transferring money to my second Alipay account. So the next thing you need to do is to add the amount or enter the amount. So let's say I want to transfer 3 RMB to the account. Then you can add remarks. You can decide to add for 1688 purchase. Just if you want to add remark, it's not compulsory though, it's not compulsory. Then click transfer. So when you click transfer, it will take you to where you will now enter your, then from here click confirm. When you click confirm, from here to say enter your payment code, and when you enter the payment code, then the transfer will go successfully, and that's it. Can you see that I've successfully transferred the 3 RMB? So you can now take a screenshot of this and send to the person to confirm that you have transferred it successfully. The second method used to transfer RMB from one Alipay to another is through barcode. So if somebody sends you a barcode that you should transfer money to him or her, click on scan. So when you click on scan, then click on your album. Then when you click on album, you pick the barcode like this and you click done. So it will automatically scan it and you bring out the person's information like this. Then you can now send the RMB to the person. You understand? So if you want to send a barcode to somebody to transfer money to your own Alipay, because some people request for this barcode, or they can also call it QR code. So click on collect. Then you see it like this. Then click save image. So when you click save image, it will save automatically in your gallery. Then you can now send it to the person. That's all. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful. If it did, kindly click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and also drop your comments in the comment section. Also, I have a request for you guys. I created a new channel, and the channel is for inspiration content, motivational content, marriage talks, relationship talks, and family lifestyles. So if you are interested in that, kindly subscribe to my new channel. It is called Oches Inspires. Oches Inspires. If you are interested in inspirational content, relationships, and all of that, kindly subscribe to my new channel to support the family, to help grow the channel and also move it to the next level. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, and I'm going to drop the link to the to my new channel in the description below. Please click it and subscribe to my new channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.